Yes, very good evening, students. Myself, Dr. Srinivas Nayak. Presently, I am doing my Masters in Dental Surgery from the Meghna Institute of Dental Sciences, Nizamabad. Previously, I have graduated from the Sri Sai College of Dental Surgery, Vikarabad. So, first of all, I would like to thank Manohar's Chemistry Channel and Manohar sir. He gave me some time to speak about my journey and asked me to prepare a small video regarding the motivational to the students for the NEET aspirants. Even I am also very much interested in doing all these social services and conducting medical camps, medical and dental camps, and motivational to the students. And also, I have conducted so many camps regarding career guidance programs. So because I know the value of all those things which I never know during my study period. That is the reason why I used to do all these programs. So the Manohar sir, which is Manohar sir, very well known to me from the past 5 to 6 years, and he knows everything about me. That is the reason why he asked me to prepare a small motivational video. So, before writing the NEET examination, I would like to tell you there are few things which we have to do and which we need to follow for getting a success. So, I would like to tell you all those things step by step. So, there are few factors which we need to know before starting the preparation. So, there are plenty of factors which plays a major role for getting a seat in the medicine. So, if we don't follow all those things, we would end up with a bad rank that will not helpful for us. So, always start the preparation with somebody's orientation in which they give us what to do throughout the preparation. So, this will be possible. I'll say this is possible only with the Manohar sir. And one more thing I would like to tell you is during the intermediate stage, we don't know what course we have to do and which course is better than other. So I will clarify this doubt. So during the intermediate stage, we are all in a confusion state whether which course I have to do, whether I have to do MBBS, whether I have to do BDS, whether I have to do agriculture, whether I have to do BAMS, whether I have to do veterinary, whether I have to do homeopathy. There will be a lot of confusions. That was happened even for me during my study period. So most of you don't know that why I am writing the NEET examination. So what are the courses available for what are all the courses available with NEET examination? So there are plenty of courses available after once you qualify with the NEET examination. So first one is MBBS, second one is Bachelor of Dental Surgery, that is BDS, and third one is BAMS, that is Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine, and fourth one is Bachelor of Homeopathic Surgery. So these are the four courses which are helpful once you complete your undergraduate programs. So once you finish all these courses, you can directly work in a private sectors, or even though if you don't get the government job also, you can work in a private sector, so that you will get around 30 to 40,000. This will be very helpful once you graduated from the respective colleges. And there are many other courses like agriculture, veterinary, BSc nursing, and other paramedical courses. I hope this will not very helpful for us, because once you complete these courses also, you will get around 10 to 15,000. That is the maximum. Okay, that is the reason why I always prefer the students to do only the MBBS. So first of all, you have to decide whether among all these courses which course I have to do. So you have to decide that why I have to choose only MBBS. I'll explain. So if you are present, your financial status are very low at this point of time, so you decide what I have to be after 5 years and why I want to be a medical doctor after 5 years, and for whom I I have writing this exam, and for whom I have working for. All these things you need to think once you start the preparation, because this will plays a very important role for the constant motivation. So why you want to be a doctor? So I'll give you one example. That is, we all know that presently we are facing a pandemic, that is COVID-19 period. Almost 30% of the doctors are affected with the COVID-19 in the second wave. If in the second wave, almost 60 to 70% doctors, if affected with COVID-19, you can imagine what is the situation of our country. So I'll proudly say that this is the only one profession which plays a very important role to make the lives better, second to the God. That is the reason why I always prefer the students to take the medicine course and help the needy people. Okay. And second one is why you want to be a doctor. So think about your parents, think about yourself, that if you do the medicine course after 5 years, what I am. So definitely I can say that your financial status will be very rapidly growing after the 5 years once you finish your MBBS. Second one is pride. I can even you people also know that nowadays the only profession the people will give you more respect than other fields is the doctors. And next one is you can do plenty of social services for the needy people by conducting the free medical and dental camps and donating. So everything is possible with this course, I can say definitely. And second one is for whom I am writing this exam and for whom I am studying. So this is also very important, because our parents are very dependent after 5 years on us, because they will be around 45 to 50 at that point of time. So we need to care about their health also. So by that period we have to be financially support. Even though if you are not financially fit also, if you have well guts and if you are in a medical profession, you will get everything is free of cost if you are in the medical field. Even though if you go any hospitals, the doctors will treat you free of cost. Even for your family members also, they will treat you free of cost. That's the reason why, my dear students, don't forget and don't neglect your studies. Be concentrate on your studies and please try to get a medicine seat, and you will be happy forever. So once you think about all these things, and now you have decided and now you came to conclusion that I have to do MBBS. So for doing MBBS, what are the things and what efforts I have to make? This is also very important, because getting a medicine seat is not an easy. It's a very big task. So during this preparation period, you need to be very careful regarding your preparation, and you need to be very constant throughout the constant motivation throughout your preparation. So at this point of time, we think more on obstacles instead of our goals. We are more bothered about our weakness instead of our strength. So we'll get a few questions in our mind that can I complete, even though if I get a medicine seat, can I complete my MBBS, whether am I eligible for this or not, or do I get rank or not. So all these questions arise in your mind at this point of time. So my dear students, don't focus on obstacles, you focus only on your goals, because your aim is not to focus on obstacles, your aim is to get a medicine seat. So for getting a medicine seat, what you need to do, you need to focus more on your positivity instead of negative. So if you think more on negative, negative will happen. If you think more on positive, positive will happen. So think only positivity and spread in and around you only the positivity during your preparation phase. So remove all those stupid things from your mind and focus on preparation, because your aim is not on all these stupid questions. Your aim is to become a doctor, isn't it? So for this, your dream, to make your dream success, what you have to do? Immediately you need to start your preparation. So before starting the preparation, I'll give you two examples. That is, one is Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt, what he was done? So he was practiced almost 4 years per 4 seconds of race. Almost around 4 years he practiced. He was practiced around 4 years to get success in the 4 seconds of race, isn't it? So similarly, your NEET exam also is like a race. So that is 3 hours. For 3 hours of your race, you need to prepare for 1 year or around 6 months, around 3 months, 4 months, whatever it is. So you need to practice like a race. Otherwise, you won't get a good rank. If you won't get good rank, you won't get seat. So there will be a lot of complications if you don't get a medicine or very other better courses, isn't it? So another example I will give you is, so if you are going in a car and your car mirror is completely fogged. So from that fog you can see only the 4 feet of distance of the road. So you can't see entire road. So during your preparation also you need to focus on your studies only. So you imagine that 4 feet of road is equal to your preparation phase. So you can see the only 4 feet of road in the fog. So similarly, you have to focus only on the study instead of imagining your ranks and all those negativity. You need to you need to focus only on the preparation. That will be very much helpful for you throughout your preparation, isn't it? So sacrifice 100 short-term pleasures. You will get one long-term happiness that stays for a long time, and that will be helpful for you and your family members. And choose one path to prepare for your examination and follow that one path, because most of the students in and around you, your colleagues and your friends, they will tell you in their own aspects, but you know the very well instead of your friends. So what you are capable of, you should know yourself, isn't it? So based on those things, you need to focus more on your preparation. So before starting the preparation, so know the competition in and around you. I'll give you the numericals in the last years, how many students are appeared for the NEET examination and how many students are got ranks in our state, and they have admitted in the medical courses. So I will give you the number. So the total number of aspirants all over India appeared for the NEET examination is around 8 lakhs in the last year. So in the 8 lakhs, around 4 lakhs are boys and around 4 lakhs are girls. So in that 4 lakhs of boys, around 2000 students got MBBS seat in our state. So so you decide that whether I have to be in among those 2000 students or not. So this will be, if you decide this and then start the preparation immediately. If you want to be among those 2000, you have to start the preparation immediately as much as possible. So before starting the preparation, you should know where to focus, how much time should I spend per day, and what are the things makes me to get an MBBS seat. So first one is where to focus. So you should know that your NEET examination is having 180 questions, and they will give you 180 minutes to complete your 180 questions. So in 180 minutes, you need to solve the 180 questions, isn't it? So your speed is very important at this point of time, and your time management is also very important. It plays a very important role for getting a good rank, because if you do one questions in 2 minutes, you can't complete your 180 questions in given period of time. So that's the reason why the speed is more important, and your time management is also very important. It plays a very important role. So you will be having 180 questions. In 180 questions, you will be getting around 90 questions from the biology subjects, and 45 questions from the physics, and 45 questions from the chemist, isn't it? So from the biology, you need to focus more on ecology, that carries around 13 marks, and human physiology, that carries around 14 to 15 marks, and plant physiology, that carries around 9 to 10 marks, and application of biology, that carries around 5 to 6 marks. If you count all those marks, this will be around 60 to 70 marks. This will be very much helpful. Instead of focusing on all the topics, you focus these topics. If you need to focus on these topics, this will be very much helpful for your easy way of preparation. And coming to physics, oscillation, you need to focus more on oscillations and waves, that carries around 3 to 4 marks, and magnetic effects, that is also carrying 3 to 4 marks, and electrical devices, that is also carrying 3 to 4 marks, and kinematics, it is also carrying 3 to 4 marks, and thermodynamics, this is also carrying around 3 to 4 marks. So you need to focus more on these topics. You need to have a thorough knowledge of this. So this will be very helpful for your rapid preparation and rapid revision during the final phase of preparation, isn't it? So coming to the chemistry, it is divided into two parts, that is inorganic and organic. So in the chemistry also, you need to focus more on chemical bonding, coordination compounds, and 13, 14, 16 group of elements. So aldehydes and ketones, this will also carries around 15 to 20 marks. And coming to, and also mole concept, and atomic structure, and solutions, and organic, this also plays a very important role for, and these subjects will play a very important role for your rank decide, isn't it? So your time management during your examination is very most important, because most of the students, they won't practice mock exams. That is the reason why they don't know what is the value of time during your final examination examination hall. They don't know the value of the time, isn't it? That's the reason why they lack the questions, attempting questions, and they won't get better rank when compared to you. That's the reason why the students, you need to focus more on mock exams, and giving in mock exams also, plan according to your final examination timings. సో మీరు ఎప్పుడైతే ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాస్తుంటారో, ఆ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కూడా ఆల్మోస్ట్ మీ ఫైనల్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ టైమింగ్స్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 2 to 5 ఉందనుకోండి, మీరు రాసే ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ మాక్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఆల్సో 2 to 5 రాసే విధంగానే చూసుకోవాలి. సో దట్ యువర్ మైండ్ విల్ బీ ఆటోమేటిక్గా అయిపోతూ ఉంటుంది, ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఫిక్స్ అయిపోతుంది. 2 to 5 మధ్యలో కంప్లీట్గా మనం అటెన్షన్ ఉంటుంది ఎగ్జామ్కి. So if you directly write the final exams 2 to 5, that is the period where you get the sleep, and అందరికి తినగానే ఏమొస్తుంది, నిద్ర వస్తుంటుంది. So you can't effectively focus on your examination. So my dear students, when you are practicing your mock examinations, please arrange your timings according to your final exam timings. So but make sure when you are reading your when you are preparing your for your NEET. So per day, instead of reading only one subject, make sure you plan at least 2 to 3 subjects you need to revise. So that will be helpful. అట్లా ఒకటే సబ్జెక్ట్ చదువుతా ఉంటే మీకు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉండదు, యూ విల్ బీ గెటింగ్ బోర్. దట్స్ ద రీజన్ మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ప్లీజ్ రీడ్ at least 2 to 3 subjects and plan accordingly. And you need to know your capabilities, because few students will retain after one reading, and few students will retain whatever they have read after 2 rounds of reading, and few students retain after 5 readings of subject. So మీరు డిసైడ్ చేసుకోవాలి యువర్ క్యాపబిలిటీస్ అండ్ యువర్ వీక్నెస్ అండ్ యువర్ స్ట్రెంగ్స్. మీరు అట్లా యూ నీడ్ టు know all these things. సో దాన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొనే మీరు ప్రిపరేషన్ ఫేజ్ అనేది ప్లాన్ చేసుకోవాల్సి ఉంటుంది. అండ్ యువర్ మెమొరీ అండ్ యువర్ నోట్స్, రివిజన్ బుక్స్ అండ్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ పేపర్స్, all this plays a very important role for getting a good rank. So choose time according to your final examination time for writing your examination. So that will helpful for you. సో చాలామంది ఏమనుకుంటారు అంటే మాక్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ 2-3 hours రాస్తే టైం వేస్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. బట్ ఇట్ ఇస్ అబ్సల్యూట్లీ రాంగ్ కాన్సెప్ట్. యూ నీడ్ టు స్పెండ్ అట్లీస్ట్ 3 hours ఫర్ మాక్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్. Okay, so start the day of preparation with the motivational video and the motivational voice notes. That will be helpful for the constant motivation. Initially it is very tough for even for us also. If you do the small things in the starting, it will be very helpful. It will be very easy and helpful at the end of your preparation. So I will give you one example that if you are going to the ground for exercise, for doing exercise, if you directly stretch your arms, you cannot stretch your arms directly, because you need to have a initial warm up, otherwise you won't stretch your arms. Similarly the same thing, మీరు ఎప్పుడైతే ప్రిపరేషన్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారో డైలీ 18 hours ఆఫ్ ప్రిపరేషన్, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్ ఈవెన్ ఫర్ మీ ఆల్సో. ఈవెన్ ఫర్ నోబడీ ఇట్ వాజ్ పాసిబుల్, బికాజ్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ టు బీ ఇన్ ద ప్రాక్టీస్ మోడ్. మీరు అట్లా కాన్స్టాంట్గా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తుంటే, కాన్స్టాంట్గా బుక్స్ మీద కూర్చుంటేనే ఇట్స్ పాసిబుల్ ఫర్ సిట్టింగ్ అరౌండ్ 18 hours పర్ డే. సో డోంట్ సిట్ ఓన్లీ, డోంట్ థింక్ దట్ నేను ఒక్క రోజులో చదువుతా 18 hours 20 hours అంటే ఇట్ వోంట్ బీ పాసిబుల్ విత్ ఎనీ వన్, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? సో చూస్ వన్ పాత్ ఫర్ ప్రిపరేషన్ అండ్ ఫాలో, దట్ విల్ బీ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ ఫర్ getting a good rank. There is no competition and you don't compare your preparation with other students, because you know very well than others what you are and what you are capable of. So don't compare your preparation with others. And so your competition is yourself. మీకు మీ అంతటా మీరే కాంపిటీషన్ ఉండాలి ఎందులో. సో ఎవ్రీ ఎగ్జామ్ అనేది ఎట్లా రాయాలి? సో ప్రీవియస్ ఎగ్జామ్ కన్నా నేను బాగా రాయాలి ఈ ఎగ్జామ్ అనేది, దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ కాంపిటీషన్. సో నో బడీ ఈజ్ యువర్ కాంపిటీషన్. యువర్ కాంపిటీషన్ షుడ్ బి యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. సో ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ యువర్ ప్రిపరేషన్ you need to remind your goals. So what I am today, what I have to be after 5 years. So what is my parents' life after 5 years. So if you get MBBS seat and if you complete your medicine MBBS, so 5 సంవత్సరాల తర్వాత ఏమవుతుందంటే you will be having one car with you and you will be having better life when compared to the other fields of life. So if you imagine that and focus on your preparation, so that will keeps you constantly motivated throughout your preparation. So now and follow all those things until your examination. So until your examination, what happens is before 1 week or 2 weeks of before the examination, you will get frustration. By tension start అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. ఓ ఎగ్జామ్ వచ్చేసింది, హాల్ టికెట్స్ డౌన్లోడ్ అవుతున్నాయి, టెన్షన్ అనేది సివియర్గా ఉంటుంది. సో ఇన్ దట్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు బీ వెరీ కామ్ అండ్ యూ నీడ్ టు ఫోకస్ మోర్ ఆన్ యువర్ రివిజన్. ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ దట్ యూ గెటింగ్ ఫ్రస్ట్రేషన్, యూ నీడ్ టు ఫోకస్ more on your calmness and your revision. That will be definitely helpful for final examination. సో అందరిలాగే మీరు కూడా టెన్షన్ పడుతూ ఉంటారు అనుకోండి. సో యూ విల్ బి, మీరు కూడా సేమ్ అందరిలాగానే సేమ్ అదే మెడిసిన్ రాదు, మంచి ర్యాంక్ రాదు, యూ విల్ గెట్ ఫ్రస్ట్రేటెడ్ ఆఫ్టర్ యువర్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్. దట్స్ ద రీజన్, డోంట్ ఫ్రస్ట్రేట్ బిఫోర్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్. యూ కెన్ ఫ్రస్ట్రేట్ ఆఫ్టర్ వన్స్ యూ డన్ విత్ యువర్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్. అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారా? బుక్కులు చింపేస్తారా, ఫోన్లు వలగొడతారా, మీ ఇష్టం. అప్పుడు ఎంతైనా ఫ్రస్ట్రేట్ అవ్వచ్చు. సో అప్పుడు యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? సో ఇట్ ఈస్ కామన్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ వన్. సో డోంట్ ఫోకస్ ఆన్ ఫోబియా అండ్ ఫ్రస్ట్రేటెడ్ థింగ్స్, జస్ట్ ఫోకస్ ఆన్ రివిజన్ అండ్ నెవర్ ఎవర్ గివ్ అప్. సో ఎగ్జామినేషన్ హాల్లో కూడా, ఎగ్జామినేషన్ హాల్కి వెళ్ళే ముందు కూడా, సో ఫోకస్ ఓన్లీ ఆన్ పాజిటివ్నెస్, డోంట్ ఫోకస్ ఆన్ నెగటివిటీ. ఇఫ్ యూ ఫోకస్ ఆన్ నెగటివిటీ, your mind completely filled with negative mind only. So during your examination, that is 3 hours of period, your mind will be completely filled with negativity, so you won't be having a chances to perform better. So my dear student, till you press the submit button, you have to be very positive. So that positiveness definitely comes with Manohar sir. I hope definitely he will manage you and he will guide you better than me in all the aspects. So work instead of working hard, your preparation should be in the smart way. So hard work plus smart work will help you to achieve better ranks. So my dear students, don't get irritated from the reading and preparation. So when you are get irritated, watch a good movie that makes you to come out from the frustration. So this will be help you to and don't waste your time. So and follow the, I always follow that during the preparation phase. I'll follow that one rule, that is talk less, do more. సో ఎప్పుడైతే మనం ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడడం తగ్గిస్తామో దట్ విల్ బి అది మనకి ఇండైరెక్ట్గా వర్క్ ఎక్కువ చేయడానికి హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది. సో ఐ విల్ ఆల్వేస్ ఫాలో దట్ రూల్, టాక్ లెస్ డూ మోర్. డెఫినెట్లీ దట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు హెల్ప్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ మనోహర్ సార్. సో కమింగ్ టు మీ, మై పర్సనల్ లైఫ్, ఐ విల్ షేర్ విత్ ఓన్లీ 5 minutes. it's almost very long video. So నేను I have studied my schooling and college everything in the government school. So most of the students think that I came from Telugu medium and I came from a small village. It is not possible with me. So similarly నా విషయంలో కూడా అదే అయింది. Even I came from the small village, small Tanda, and I was studied in the government school. So all those things will not stop you to get your better life. నీ గవర్నమెంట్ స్కూల్ నీకు ఎంబీబీఎస్ చేయడానికి ఆపదు. నీ ఫ్యామిలీ అబ్స్టాకిల్స్ నీకు బెటర్ పొజిషన్స్కి వెళ్ళడానికి ఆపవు. ఎప్పుడు నీకు గట్స్ ఉంటే ఏవి కూడా, ఏ అబ్స్టాకిల్స్ కూడా నేను ఆపవు. సో మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, డోంట్ అండర్ ఎస్టిమేట్స్ యువర్ పవర్స్. ఓకే, సో even I have studied from the government schools only, and at that point of time nobody was there as to guide and to motivate like this. And so nowadays everything is in your hand. You will be everybody is having smartphones that will be very helpful. Nowadays అసలు మీరు కాలేజ్కి వెళ్ళాల్సిన అవసరం కూడా లేదు. Everything, each and every classes will be in your hands only. So utilize all those things properly. If you have any doubts, you can call me anytime. So you can free to call me at any point of time, and you can WhatsApp me also. So my number is personal number is for WhatsApp is 8500405106. So my dear students, along with me each and every time Manohar sir will be there with you for constant motivation. So always keep motivated. So thank you. Bye everyone. So thank you.